If you've been seeing Zetrawin, Suacax, or Worowin online, you may be wondering one thing. Are these sites actually legit? I decided to take a closer look. At first, these names can seem convincing. They may use professional-looking pages, product offers, discounts, and strong claims, but that alone does not prove a website is trustworthy. One thing I always check is the company information. Who runs the website? Is there a real business address? Can you find clear contact details? I also look at the payment options. That matters a lot. A site asking for unusual payment methods can be a major warning sign. Then there are the reviews. Be careful here. Reviews shown directly on a website are not always enough. I prefer looking for feedback from independent sources. I also check for complaints about missing orders, refunds, poor customer service, or unexpected charges. With Zetrawin, Suacax, and Worowin, I would not rush into buying anything just because the offer looks good. That's the biggest takeaway from my check. A website can look polished and still have problems behind the scenes. And if you cannot verify who is operating it, that is a reason to slow down. So, are Zetrawin, Suacax, and Worowin legit or scams? I would say proceed with caution until you can independently verify the company, its reputation, and its refund policy. If you're considering buying from any of them, do your own checks first. Don't rely on flashy discounts or positive reviews alone.